body quiz. 15 easy questions, 5 seconds to answer. If you like our videos, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Number 1. How many bones are in the human body? 206. Heaviest organ in the human body? Skin. How much blood in the human body? Approximately 5 liters. Number of chambers found in human heart? 4. Longest bone in the human body? Femur. What gives blood its red color? Hemoglobin. Which is the largest joint in a human body? Knee. Which part of human body does not grow? Eyeball. Which is the only organ in the human body that floats? Lungs. Largest internal organ in the human body? Liver. Smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which is known as river of life? Blood. Normal temperature of a human body? 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Master gland of the human body? Pituitary gland. What percentage of the human body is water? 66%. How many teeth does an adult have? Comment your answer. For more videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.